Hey guys, Claire here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my sort of favorite, really simple ideas surrounding Thanksgiving and the holidays, which is a one-pan meal. And I think with turkey especially, everyone thinks you have to have that Norman Rockwell moment where you walk in and there's this giant bird and someone's carving it and it's like a whole thing. But the truth is, that is a giant pain to make. There's just a lot of logistical things that can go wrong with like a full bird. And to be completely honest, I'm a dark meat girl, so I would rather have like a giant tray of thighs than like the entire turkey anyway. So that's kind of what we're doing today. So this is really great too for a friendsgiving where you only have like say 6 people when you don't need to be feeding, I don't know, like a cast of thousands or whatever. So what we have in front of us is just 3 pieces of turkey meat. So I have 2 thighs and a leg. Honestly, it can be kind of like however much, however little, but this is what we're starting with. I then have 1 butternut squash that's been wedged out. I purposefully have the pieces really big, and that's because I want this to cook at the same rate as the turkey. Then I have about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a stick of butter melted, and then a bunch of fresh herbs and salt and pepper. Let's get started. Butternut squash is going into the bowl. So I'm gonna chop up my herbs, and today I'm just using oregano, thyme, and sage. So for the sage leaves, because those are way bigger than everything else, I'm actually going to stack them, and I'm going to do a quick chiffonade, and then you get these pretty little ribbons. So sprinkle of fresh herbs go on, and then I'm gonna add half of the melted butter and half of the maple syrup. All right, so now I'm just going to mix everything together till it gets nice and coated, and then just throw that onto the pan. Next up is the turkey. I'm gonna put that into the bowl as well. I'm gonna add the remaining herbs, and then I'm gonna add the remaining butter, maple. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of salt and pepper. You can see I didn't overload the pan. That's what makes this caramelize. If you overload the pan, it's gonna steam everything, so you're not gonna get that delicious browning. So now it goes into the oven at about 400 for, I'd say about 45 minutes. What I want is for everything to get cooked through at the same time. All right, it's all done, and it looks so good. And you know what? It actually smells better. The whole house is just this perfume of like caramelized maple and melted butter and fresh herbs. It smells like Thanksgiving, which I absolutely love. And how easy is this? I love the idea of having like almost an entire Thanksgiving meal done in one platter. And you don't just have to do one vegetable, by the way. You can definitely mix it up and do different ones. You just want to make sure that they're all cooking at the same time, so it just makes it really convenient for you in your one pan. It's so easy to put together and really perfect for Friendsgiving. Please comment below. I'd love to hear what you guys are making for the holidays, and I'd love also any recipe ideas. Are you gonna try something like this? Please let me know. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.